What if I told you there might be another version of you right now in a parallel universe, living a totally different life? Maybe in that universe you're a famous actor, or maybe you never got into that weird argument with your best friend. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it turns out the idea of parallel universes isn't just for the big screen. In fact, there's a legit scientific theory that suggests every decision you make could lead to the creation of an entirely new universe. Hey there, welcome to the B2AE Tech Tips channel, your go-to hub for the latest in tech. Let's explore the future together. So let's dig into the quantum multiverse and find out, could there really be another you out there? By the end of this video, you'll know what the multiverse is, why quantum mechanics might make it possible, and whether you should start worrying about your alternate selves. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is the multiverse? Well, it's the idea that there isn't just one universe. There could be infinite universes. Imagine, instead of just one timeline, there are countless ones, all happening simultaneously. Each universe might be a little different, or it could be a completely unrecognizable place. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what does this have to do with me? Well, the answer lies in quantum mechanics, the branch of science that deals with the tiniest particles in the universe, things like electrons and photons. These particles don't behave the way we expect. Instead of following straightforward rules, they're unpredictable. It's almost like they have minds of their own. A particle can exist in multiple states at the same time, a phenomenon known as superposition. Think about it like this. Imagine flipping a coin. Normally it's either heads or tails, right? But in the quantum world, until you actually look at the coin, it's both heads and tails at the same time. This is where things start getting wild, because what if every possible outcome of that coin flip actually happens, but in different universes? Every time something like this happens, a new universe might branch off. That's the basic idea behind the quantum multiverse. So where did this crazy idea come from? Enter Hugh Everett, one of the boldest thinkers in quantum physics. In 1957, this guy dropped a theory that blew everyone's minds. He called it the many worlds interpretation. Everett suggested that every time a quantum event happens, like a particle choosing a path, a new universe is created where the opposite thing happens. So in one universe, you might take that dream job offer, and in another universe, you turned it down to become a full-time artist. Basically, in the multiverse, every time a decision is made, big or small, the universe splits. In one version, you took the left turn, in another, you went right. And this isn't just for you, it's happening to everyone, everywhere. Everett's theory explains why the quantum world seems so strange. Because instead of one outcome happening, every outcome happens. Just not all in the same universe. Yep, it's like a never-ending game of cosmic choose-your-own-adventure. But every path is real. And the best part? You don't even have to make the choice. It's already happening across infinite universes. But hey, before we start planning vacations to Universe 43B where you're an Olympic gold medalist, let's talk about the science and the debate. Not everyone's ready to pack their bags for a parallel world just yet. Some physicists love the multiverse theory because it gives them a way to explain the weirdness of quantum mechanics. Think of Schrödinger's cat, the famous thought experiment where a cat is both alive and dead until you open the box and observe it. The multiverse theory solves this paradox by saying, hey, in one universe the cat is alive and in another it's dead. But here's the catch. There's no way to prove these other universes exist. It's all theory at this point. We can't just hop into another universe and say, hey, alternate me, what's up? That's why many scientists remain skeptical. They're waiting for concrete evidence. Some of the best experiments in quantum physics, like quantum entanglement, give us a taste of the multiverse's potential. Entanglement shows that two particles can be connected across vast distances, like instant communication across the universe. But whether that means there's an actual multiverse? The jury's still out. It's kind of like we're staring at the door to the multiverse, but We just don't have the key yet. All right, let's get to the juicy part, the question you've been waiting for. Could there really be another you out there living a completely different life? According to the multiverse theory, the answer is a big fat maybe. Every time you make a decision, whether it's choosing between pizza or sushi for dinner, or whether to swipe right on Tinder, there could be another universe where you did the exact opposite. Think about it. There might be a version of you that said yes to that job offer in New York, while another version of you decided to stay in your hometown and open a coffee shop. Both realities are equally real, just existing in parallel universes. In one universe, maybe I'm the host of a YouTube cooking show right now. I mean, I did almost burn toast this morning, so let's be glad I stuck with science. But it's more than just life choices. Some universes could be almost exactly like this one, with tiny differences, like you're wearing a green shirt instead of a red one today. Others could be completely unrecognizable. Maybe in one universe, the dinosaurs never went extinct, and humans are riding T-Rexes to work. Of course, this raises some deep questions. If there are infinite versions of you, which one is the real you? Does that change what it means to be you? The idea of the multiverse has exploded in pop culture recently. It's a go-to plot device in everything from superhero movies to animated comedies. And why not? The multiverse is the ultimate what-if playground. Take Marvel's Doctor Strange, where one version of him can see and interact with his multiverse selves, or Everything Everywhere All at Once, where alternate versions of the same character have completely different skills and personalities based on tiny life choices they made. And let's not forget Rick and Morty, where every episode is a new multiverse adventure, with each universe more ridiculous than the last. Seriously, one episode has them running away from giant sentient pickles. Yeah, things get weird, but here's what's cool. These movies and shows are sparking real conversations about science. Sure, they exaggerate things, but they're getting people to think about the big questions. What if there are infinite realities? How would that change what we know about life? All right, so let's wrap this up. We've taken a wild ride through the possibilities of the multiverse, from quantum mechanics and alternate selves to Hollywood blockbusters. Whether or not there's another version of you out there making different choices, one thing's for sure. The idea of the multiverse is one of the coolest, mind-bending theories in science. As research into quantum physics continues, who knows? Maybe one day we'll figure out how to peer into those alternate realities, or even visit them. But for now, all we can do is imagine, and wonder what our multiverse selves might be up to right this second. Did this video blow your mind as much as it did mine? If you want to keep diving into mind-bending science, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. And hey, let me know in the comments. If there's another version of you in a parallel universe, what do you think they're doing right now? Let's get those multiverse theories going. I'll catch you in the next video on the 3T channel.